Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's finally giveaway time. As you may remember, I have made this fabric covered map themed file folder on camera, and off camera I have filled it with a whole bunch of papery goodness. And before I'm gonna talk about how you can enter the giveaway, I just want to go through this and show you what I've added. Oops, piece of paper. Okay, so you remember I have this little flippy pocket here, and I just put in a few cards. I have I got two old library cards. I love that they have those holes, and then a game card. They fit perfectly. And then on, let's do this side first, I have these two lovely ladies. These are just die cuts that I have left over from my sewing journal. I love these ladies. And then I have some playing cards, Maryland, Oklahoma, and South Carolina. I don't know how old these are. My guess is either 80s or 90s. And then I have a few old French school book pages talking about Strasbourg. I've been there several times. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. It's on the border to Germany. Yeah, so this book is from 1936, and I love this image. And then I have some pages. Ooh, get out of there. Some pages from my old Pride and Prejudice book. These are from the 1920s, and I also have some Pride and Prejudice book pages, like the big ones. These are maybe 90s, 80s, I don't know. These are not as old, but I just like them because they're big and have big text. And unfortunately, the big papers I had to fold in half because they would not fit in here. And then we have this lovely thing. It's from 1949. It's a, it has a whole bunch of recipes for meals and dishes you can make with eggs. It's called Eggs for Everybody, and it's from the University of Maine, College of Agriculture. And I have a whole bunch of these old recipes. I love that paper. 1949. Then we have this cool old big postcard of the Golden Gate Bridge. Oops, am I in the frame? Yes. Unfortunately, there's no year on this card. However, I think it looks pretty old, so maybe it's 70s, 60s, 80s. I don't know. You can tell it's old. It has scratches and it just looks vintage. Then we have a lovely piece of old wallpaper. You can always craft wallpaper. And I added a few pages of my 1956 is it 56? 50s, some year in the 50s, catalog pages, so you can order equipment and like screws and things and antenna. Yep, lovely old paper. And then I just have some music paper. I think this is for an organ. Okay, let's put these all back in here. Oops. Ugh. Put this back here. This French book is one of my favorites because it's so old and it's French. Okay, so, and now we can move over to this side. Let me just take everything out maybe. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you remember this flippy thing? And I put, I have a few playing cards in here, and then I had like these weird ticket things. Stick them back in here. All right, so here I just added a few Tim Holtz things. I love these photos, so you can just cut them out and play with them, like in your journals. I also added a bunch of the Tim Holtz people because I have a ton of people and I will never be able to use up all the people. Then we have a old postcard. I think this is 60s or 70s from the state capital in Maine, Augusta. And then we have an old postcard. This also doesn't have a year, of course not, of the Crazy Horse Memorial in South Dakota. And I love those deckled edges. Then we have several pages from an old oh my gosh, dictionary. Let me see if I can get the year of this. Oh, that's from this one. And the year is 1961. Also yummy yellow papers or pages. Then we have two old maps. This one, I can't remember. I thought I saw the year somewhere. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of old maps, and they're all from, oh, this is 1967. Either 60s or 50s. And then we have, this is St. John in New Brunswick, Canada. And then these are, let's see. Is there a year on here? Nope. But yeah, I think it's from the same time, because the former owner traveled a lot in the 50s and in the 60s. So Canadian maps. Then I have a few lovely old pages from my Black Beauty book. I love those frames. Some pages from my 1960s reprint of the 1897 Sears catalog. And then this is the a magazine from 1956. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this is actually really good. Ideas for your home, how you can do things. For example, before you go down in the basement or out in the backyard, set your telephone on a cake or baking tin placed upside down. The added resonant surface picks up and amplifies the bell sound. Because we all still have those phones, right? So yeah, handy tips for your home and other cool stuff. My favorites are always the old ads. And then I also found this super old photo pocket thing where you would take the films and then mail them in to have them, the photos developed. So I don't know what this year, I would say 80s maybe. Who knows? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this side. Let me put these back in. Okay, so if you want this whole collection of old papers, all you have to do, let me put this behind those. All you have to do is be a subscriber of my channel, because I like subscribers. I like reaching many people and teaching many people and communicating with crafty people. So be a subscriber, and then leave me a comment telling me what your favorite craft is. It doesn't have to be junk journaling. It can be quilting, it can be scrapbooking, it can be origami or whatnot. Anything. I'm just curious, and I want to get to know my subscribers because I'm a crafty person. I love crafting all kinds of different crafts, so I just want to know what you like. Okay, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment telling me what your favorite crafts are or is. And this video will go up on Friday, February 12th, which is my birthday. Perfect timing. And I just reached my 300 subscribers, so lots of reasons to celebrate. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys and all your comments. That totally makes my day when people comment on my videos and just, I don't know, we can interact. They give me feedback or just say hi. Yeah, so I'll leave this open until February 18th, which is I think next Thursday, and probably in the evening, like 6 p.m. Eastern time. I'll put all the information in the description box below, just so you know, and you can read it. And again, this is international, so it doesn't matter if you live here in Maine, or if you live in California, or in Australia, or anywhere. On the Tonga Islands, I don't care. I will mail this to you, and I hope that the mail service will actually deliver this to your country. So we shall see. And then, so the 18th is, I think, a Thursday. So that following weekend, I will post a video where I draw the winner, and then we will have to connect so I can get your address. Oh yeah, only participate if you are willing to give me your address. I will not misuse your address. I will only use it to mail you this. So no worries. Yeah, so I hope you like this, and I hope you like everything in it, and I hope that a lot of you guys will participate, and I will see if this is successful. I will do more giveaways in the future, because I love giving things to people. I love giving presents, making presents or gifts, so it's, I guess, just my nature. So, yeah, anyway, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys!